To attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit.
Đồi hoa sim ôi những đồi hoa sim tím chiều hoang biển. Câu chuyện ngày xưa nàng yêu hoa sim tím khi còn tóc búi vàng.
Yo, what's up, man? It's me, I'm Anwar.
Ngoài chân tuyến ai
MC Store has been established since 2012 when I was like 17 years old.
nghe về thăm
My idea is just to get a good supply to support for the scene, some good scripting, and safe for your health as well. Shout out to all the homies in Saigon, Vietnam, Hanoi, Huế, all the homies. Yeah, one love.
Ngày mất chiếc thuyền như vỡ đôi. Phút cuối không nghe được em nói, không nhìn được. Dù một lần đơn sơ để không chết người trai khói lửa mà chết người em nhớ.
We should do simple stuff. Yeah, simple letters and background. I don't know.
Whatever. We don't leave the blank.
Graffiti first been into Vietnam since 2002 until now 2018. And if you can compare on the production of our Vietnamese writer back in the day until now, you can see it's a whole another story, a whole another page of Vietnam graffiti. Everybody got more technique, more knowledge.
Chiếu hoang nay tiếng gà chiếu hoang đến ngồi bên mồ. Thơ sao ấp ngón nàng trong mây áo cưới khắp
Connect, we meet up, and we learn by painting each other, painting with each other. So yeah, we have pretty many different style in Vietnam. Even for text or character or even street bombing. It is what it is, man. Just be ready. meeting of style this year in Hue. Good experience, good people. We don't expect like anything much more than just like the spirit, the energy, and the good vibe. We have 115 artists from around the world, more than 15 countries. Vietnam, family of Meaning of Style, NC Store, 054, all the homies, yeah, all love.
Abbiamo tuttora.
We come here because of graffiti, because of the Meaning of Style, because of the friends. Everybody just try to be friends with each other, especially like I'm Vietnamese and I cannot speak good French or Brazilian, you know, but we all like understand each other by like graffiti language, by our thinking and feeling amazing. So many style in like, you know, in life, subcultural lifestyle, and even like, I don't know, Vietnamese ghetto lifestyle. I don't know, it's all about style, you know, so
Yeah.
if you have style, we would like, you know, sharing and learning from each other. It's like Meaning of Style.
Let